There's only so long fake thugs can pretend. And I told these niggas, man. I told them. I said, you either get down or you lay down. And if you lay down, you gonna stay down. This thing ain't no game, man. I got pulled around this bitch like tug of war. I got my nigga Baby Boy. He running around crazy. He already got the west side on lock. Peanut, D-Nice, they already moved out down north. They doing their thing and they murdered everything. I mean, it's time to expand, man. We even got Blizz running out the projects out Delaware and Camden, Riverside. Man, I'm about to take over the city of Philly like John Street. Fuck these haters, cops and pockets, man. We doing this big time, and this thing ain't no game, man. We doing what the doers do. We getting it like the getters get it, nigga. Making it like the makers make it.